It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer, and I've wanted to try one of these curries for a long time. First seen them in Waitrose many moons ago. Balked at the price, to be honest. I'm going to be honest, I balked at the price, I didn't buy it. And I seen them in Tesco recently, and the ticket price was £6.50. It's a Charlie Bingham's chicken madras and pilau rice for two. They look absolutely fantastic. When I took it to the till, buzzed it through on the self-checkout, it went through at £9.50. So of course, called the lady over. This was £6.50 advertised, it's £9.50. She'd done all the checks. She said, no, you got it wrong. And you're in that moment then, and you're like, oh, do I say, oh, I can't afford your curry, I'm going to put it back? Or to do the great British thing, that kind of just crack on and get on with it. So I ended up spending £9.50 on a supermarket curry. So I hope it's good. I hope it's good. So what you do, I've had a little look at the... Oh, let's rip it. Just rip through the instructions as well. Right. Chicken madras pilau rice. There is the chicken madras. So what you do is you get rid of the initial film lid on the top. That goes, whoa, don't lose any. Doesn't that look good though? That goes in the oven. And then the rice pilau rice comes with this film lid. Now what you do, you tightly of course distribute the rice nice and evenly, but it comes with this little foil lid, which is very cool. Tightly wrap that around like so. You get the gist. That goes in the oven. So here are the instructions. Preheat oven, remove film, we've done all that. Unfold the foil and tightly wrap around the rice. Place on a baking tray in the centre of the oven, away from the element of the flame, and cook for 30 minutes. If cooking from frozen, cook for an extra 10. Leave it stand for 2 minutes before serving, make sure it's piping hot. Electric is 220. Fan is 200, gas max 7 plus 10 minutes, and it says please do not grill. So we're going to go and put this now on the middle shelf of the oven for half an hour, and I'll be back when all of this delicious food is cooked. Okay, we are ready to get into this curry. It smells fantastic. It is actually in a wooden tray. I thought it might have been kind of cardboard, but no, it's like a little bit of bamboo or something. But that looks great. Doesn't that look really good? Here's a look at the rice. That also looks very good. So we're gonna pour this out straight away. I'm going to save half for my good lady. Mind you, if I'm completely honest, she won't eat Madras. So we'll see how we get on with this. I am a mixer of a curry. I like to mix. It seems a little, if I'm completely honest, it seems a little disproportionate. Nah, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It serves two. There's half a rice, there's another half of the curry. I reckon you could probably put a little bit more curry in there though. But let's get straight into this then. Oh, wonderful. There's the chicken. Look at that. It is Madras, so it is hot. Oh. That is fantastic chicken. Okay, you're paying £9.50. But that chicken is the best ready meal chicken I've ever eaten in my life. Oh, fabulous. The rice is nice and fluffy. What I'm going to say about the Madras is I've had Madras in jars and I've had Madras in curries, and some of them can be really, really potent. This one is just kind of on the brink. It's enough to get your saliva glands going. It's enough to make you go, oof, there's a little bit of spice here. But the flavours that go with that spice and that heat are balanced and they're perfect. This is a cracking curry. Look at that chicken. Amazing. I've been trying to work out the price in my head, so if you were to go to an Indian restaurant, you'd order maybe a Madras each, maybe a large pilau rice to share. It's going to be about the same price, isn't it? About. Let me know how much your Indian takeaway is in the comments box. More importantly, let me know in the comments box if you think this is good value for money or you think it's a little bit expensive. Let me know. My view on this curry is my view is, like probably a lot of people, you see the price, you might initially balk at it. You might go, oh, that's kind of tasty. That is £9.50 for a curry and a rice. But it serves two. That works out at £4.75 each. That's not bad, is it, for a really decent curry? And in the end, the curiosity got me, the fact that I kept on seeing the curries, Waitrose, then Tesco. I think I've seen it in Sainsbury's as well. And in the end, the curiosity got the better of me, and I'm really glad it did. Because it's turned out to be one hell of a curry. So I'm going to rate it. Oh. I can't stop eating it. A wonderfully balanced curry. The heat levels are perfect. It's not going to completely blow your face off, but it's still going to make you go ooh a little bit. There's enough spice there. Fabulous, fabulous curry. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.